we made it all the way out to Cujo Key. Is that right? Cujo. This was about supposed to be a 3.5 hour drive, but turned into almost a 5 hour drive because there was a little traffic and accident on the way. But we made it, and today we are checking out a Tideline 365. We were on one of these before up in West Palm, but now we're all the way down to the Keys to check it out. This is almost Key West too, so like I said, a long drive, and we're excited for all the content we're gonna get. We got the drones rolling here, just doing some calibration work and stuff. So here's a look at the boat from the exterior. As you guys saw, obviously we're gonna fly the drones and get some cool stuff with that. But I just wanna show you from the dock, twin Suzukis. And those are Suzuki 350s. So really, we're just gonna run around the Keys for an hour, and I'll get you guys a nice walkthrough of the boat. And of course, we'll be doing content on Instagram too. So stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so it is walkthrough time. Just got the boat cleaned up. Let's step on board. So starting in the transom, obviously we got the twin 350 Suzuki's, top speed around 50 miles an hour with the twins, and we got 45-gallon live wells on both sides, and you guys can see it's got the nice Tideline name on those clear lids. Transom walkthrough right here. Show you there's a lot of space back here actually, and this platform extends a little bit too, so that could be your bathroom spot if it's calm. Let's go ahead and see what we have in deck. Here is your bilge, and then back here you actually have nice access if you need to maintain your fuel and anything. And also wash down with a hose here. Same thing on the other side. Right here we have an additional live well, and then in the leaning post, storage and a sink right there, and then under here you have a big cooler. We also do have a second station on this boat. I'm gonna work my way up here carefully because it's kind of wet. Show you guys the view that we have. Ready? There we go. We got Michael over there, who's actually messing around with his new drone somewhere over there. So sorry if you guys hear any interference from that. Awesome view from up here as always. And as I'm on my way down from the tower, I did want to mention that this is very convenient. Like, there's a nice size ladder right in the center. A lot of times there's one and one, there's two ladders on either side, but I don't know, for some reason when it's in the middle and it's bumpy and it's windy, seems like it makes it a lot easier to get up there. Coming up to the helm, you can see triple Garmin screens, got Tideline logo right there, and also it looks like we have a custom carbon fiber dash. Got our joystick and really all the bells and whistles, the FLIR custom switch panel. Beautiful helm on this boat, very wide. This boat is a catamaran, 11-foot beam on it, triple adjustable seats. These are super comfy. Let's head forward and show you this hatch here, which is one of your insulated fish boxes. Got the ladder in there. And yes, guys, we do have stuff in our hatches. This is, you know, somebody's boat, so they're using it as it should be. So we got a nice isinglass enclosure around your center console. Having fun there, Michael? Let's hop into the console before we forget. And I actually wasn't sure, but we do have a head in here, which is nice. A lot of time with the cats, you know, they don't put a head in the center because you have less clearance, but definitely good to have in there. Now let's go up onto the bow. Plenty of rod holders, cup holders all around this boat. Wet sound system sounds awesome. And up onto the bow, this actually raises a little bit here, and then obviously we got a step up and nice Tideline logo. Let's give you guys a profile back here. This is standing up on the bow, and I didn't show this yet, but we have massive space under here. Once again, you know, the owner has all his, it looks like, safety equipment, cleaning supplies in there. And then in your boxes up here, just more storage, life jacket you saw down there too. And right up on the bow, a very nice big platform if you need to stand up here, lean up here, gaff a fish, anything you really need to do. Very open, and we have a windlass right there. And I'm assuming these are just more storage. Yes, they are. And that's pretty much it, guys. That is the Tideline 365 Cat. Let's go ahead and step off here and show you one last look from the exterior. There it is. Alrighty, well, we're getting towards sundown here, so that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Drop a like if you did. This is one of the better YouTube videos I feel like I've made, so I really hope that you guys did enjoy the content. Let me know if there's anything else you want to see. Always open to what you guys think and new ideas. Till next time, thanks for watching, everybody. See ya.